Hi! With Thanksgiving being this week, I thought I'd share a couple of Hostess gift ideas. For this first one, I grabbed a couple of Advent Bible studies from the Daily Grace Company, some pins from Erin Condren, and a nice notebook from Walmart. I then found this ribbon, which I thought was a pretty color for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I wrapped them all with a bow in this ribbon. For this next one, I took a glass mug I got from the Dollar Tree and filled it with some truffles. Then I added the embroidery hoop pumpkin I had made as a pre-loved project and a fall-themed Sudoku I bought from the Dollar Tree. For this last one, I used a jar I got from the Target Dollar Spot and some dish towels I got from Target, along with a soap and hand lotion I got from Bath & Body Works. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.